Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the eastern wing of the Stink Bug Works. Today, I'd like to address a couple of questions from my viewers personally. I mean, I don't have a whole lot of viewers, so I appreciate all you guys. These are pretty bad videos. Anyway, so the first viewer is James. James says, enough with the building and all that. Let's get to see some boats run. And to James, yes, absolutely. Let's get to see some boats run. I finally have my battery charger where I can reach it and all my charging accessories, cords and the like. So I can now charge. The eastern or the southern wing here will also double as the battery charging station. Stand by. So, to James, yes. And in fact, today, part of today's activities is going to be scouting out a couple possible ponds. Lake Hodges, where I was planning to run, closes in October. Doesn't mean I can't go off by a little restaurant down in Del Dios called Hernandez Hideaway, and there's a path down to the beach. I may be able to go there and run them. So I'm going to go on a scouting mission today. I'm going to look at that and another pond. The next the next viewer is Jerry. Jerry wants to buy one of my kits, but Jerry keeps sending messages here on YouTube. Jerry, don't do that. No. Down here, right down here. See, here's the screen you're looking at. Down here on your computer will be, my name and the title of this video, and then a description. In that description, and it's kind of in a little grayed out block, and it'll say, this video's about so-and-so. And oftentimes there'll be the word more, M-O-R-E, more, down at the end of the sentence in a slightly darker text. That means you got to click on that, and the rest of the text will now be visible. I'll put my email address in there, my personal email. We can't conduct business here on YouTube. They'll censor the text or whatever. You've got to send me an email, and my email address is right there. I need to know where you live so I can calculate shipping. The kits are $45 plus shipping. And if you want to send a check, there's no PayPal. If you want to do PayPal, then they get 3%. So that's that. Okay, that's all the business out of the way. Now we can get down to the fun part of the video. The look at here, look at here, look at here. Well, it's nice having a workstation that's actually workable now. So I spent some time yesterday working at my workstation, and it's nice. You can reach and grab the tools, and you can see all the things that were neatly organized. They're kind of, but they're still there, So, it's what I need. I'm still waiting for my light here. It's kind of dark, so I substitute by moving these lights around. But I thought I would let you know that Shazam, it's ready to rock and roll. Not sure what I'm going to do with these wires, but this is it with a set of batteries in it. The speed controls I stuck back here. They're held in with jam foam. The batteries are held in with jam foam and Velcro. It's powered by two 1107 1.5Y new motors. Now, these are the helicopter version, so they have a fan back here And you can see there's some fins along here and there's a can there. So these are air-cooled motors. These are smaller motors. They're the 29 millimeter motor, so they're not going to draw an awful lot of current. I have these 120 amp sea wings in here, and I do not have water cooling going through them because, quite frankly, they're going to be nowhere near 120 amps. This is one of those low-profile HS55 ball bearing servos that I flipped upside down. I'm using my tried and true 1/32 wire in a pull-pull configuration. Let's see, I have twin counter-rotating. These are 32 by 1.8s. It was basically the only thing I could find. This motor on 2S will turn a 36, 37 millimeter prop with no problem. Won't get warm at all. So these, I might be underpropped. I might go to 3S in this thing. Although, to tell you the truth, I'm a bit intimidated. This thing might be beyond Big B power. And if it's beyond Big B power, it's going to be frightening. If it's Big B power, it's only going to be kind of scary. Beyond Big B power would be frightening. So there you go, boys and girls. The H&M Micro Drifter set up with twin new motors. And that's about it for the description on that. Oh, check it out. Check it out. These things run, hello, switch on. These things run really smooth. Oh, here's another tip. When you're doing a twin, one of the motor leads, a twin with BEC, one of the motor leads, the red wire, needs to be pulled from the connector. Otherwise, you'll have both BECs fighting each other. So the whole thing is running off of one BEC, and this effectively disables the other BEC. So important to note in twins, but there's a little dryness in that shaft. Maybe it needs more grease. I'll deal with that. So there you go, boys and girls. It runs. Left is right and right is left. I'll have to change that before I go out in the field. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.